Right, let's get this show on the road. To all right. I hope it brings you prosperity and all that sort of good stuff. I hope nobody got too drunk, etc., etc., etc. Right. What we're going to be discussing today comes under the units for communication. These can be units are under both the BTEC and the EAL groups. If you're not a student of mine, it can also relate to City and Guilds. It's just one of the common groups. Now, those that have been studying with me, we're now into week 15, and it's still hard to believe that some of you can't grasp this drawing malarkey. Alright, so this is my last attempt to try and get you to understand it before we actually start taking the assignments. So listen in. Alright, this is going to be one of 3 videos that I'm going to produce over the next couple of days and put them on. The first one we're going to cover, alright, isometric drawing. Dead easy, we've done it already. Okay, the drawing that I'm going to give you is this one. Now, don't have a heart attack, it's not hard. Alright, I'll take you through it step by step by step. I've made it as easy as possible. This will be photocopied, scanned in, and then it will be put onto the Google Classroom, so you can actually print off your own copy if you wish. Alright, moving on. Once we've done that, I will take you through the oblique drawing. I'll do the oblique drawing, I'm not expecting you to do it, but you need to understand it. The next one, you will have to produce a first angle orthographic projection of the drawing that I have just shown you. The last one, I will talk about third angle orthographic projection. I'm not expecting you to do this one either. Some of you are not at the standard yet where you will be able to understand both first and third orthographic projection. All it will do is just send you nuts. And then when you actually do the assignment, it'll just go pear-shaped. Right, so equipment. Your equipment that you need, usual 4H pencil. Alright, it's a hard pencil, make sure it's sharp, and then you draw lightly with it. You draw everything with it. Your construction lines, right, your border, the lot. Alright, everything is drawn in 4H pencil first. Once you have finished everything, we then start moving into the other pencils. So you should have a 2H or a H pencil. Therefore, your outline of your actual object, dimensions, etc, etc. You've then got a HB pencil. That's to do your outside borders, all lettering, dimensions, etc. You'll also need one of these, alright, a 60-30 triangle. Now, I'll turn this over and I'll put this on here. Some of you, because of either a lack of equipment or you just don't understand what is actually required of you, this is what we call a 60-30 triangle. Alright, this side is 30 degrees and this side is 60 degrees. This is the only one that you need for the isometric drawing. This and this, a T-square. That's it. That's the only piece of equipment you need. Right, pencils, T-square, 60-30. It's as easy as that. The next one is your 45 degrees. That's a 45 degrees triangle, right? Because this is 45 degrees and that is 45 degrees. You do not need to use this for isometric, right? No, don't use it, okay? You can use it for oblique drawing. If you run out of 60-30s, then you need to share with somebody, right? Don't try and do an isometric drawing with this, because as you will have, most of you who have tried this already will find out that your drawings end up like something Picasso would like. For those who don't know Picasso, Google him. Right, so we've got a 45-degree triangle, T-square or a flat edge. Alright, and that's it. The last bit, which I would have thought was common sense, you will need a drawing board. If you haven't got these and you're doing these at the college, so that'll be probably Thursday, Friday, if you haven't got anything else to do, speak to the kits instructors and ask them to open up the engineering classroom. From the engineering classroom, majority of you will know this already. Go into the store cupboard, get out the drawing boards, check them, make sure that they work, and then crack on.